So this one is going to block. That's this rack may go anywhere. Yeah, go anywhere. You see now? Yeah? You will go anywhere. Stable. I'll now screw here, on the bottom here. You will see. You see? Stable. Stable. I go to get the screws, yeah? Yeah. Can't it be moved? Yeah. Stable. 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 Firm. You see? Yeah? Doesn't move. Doesn't move. So this is how to do, yeah? It's easy. Don't worry to fit to attach it on this panel. No. Just do it individual, yeah? And then at the end, but block it this way. Yeah? This way. Easy, yeah? So it's Dady the handyman, yeah? We are here to help each other. Yeah? Okay, thanks and bye.